I had some trouble with this PlayStation thing here, and I don't know how to get it fixed. I mean, I think it's a having a black screen problem. I tried everything I see on the internet. It's where you just push the button. I took the hard drive out, by the way. It started happening before I took it out, like a month ago. I didn't even have it for a year yet, and it's fucking up. I mean, I just got this a few weeks ago, and I already have a black screen. I took the hard drive out, and before that, I mean, it was having the black screen already. Then all of a sudden, after it had the black screen, I took the hard drive out to see what was going on with it, and all of a sudden I'll turn it on without the hard drive, and it starts up. It takes a while, and see, it says cannot start appropriate system storage was not found. Now, I can shut it off. Now, like, oh, I must have got fixed, but I really didn't. So turn it on and hold it. Wait for it. One. Okay, now it turns off. Okay, now I press it again. I'll show you. I mean, I can't even turn the fucker off. It'll just stay like this all fucking day. I mean, I left it on for probably like 15 minutes, and it was still like this. I'm like, okay, something's not right. So I've been wondering if you guys know what's wrong with it. I'll try holding it again. Here's what I've seen people do. They just let the fucker beep for a while. Okay, then we do it again. Hold on, I'm just getting something. There's one. There. And still, nothing comes up on the fucking screen like it should. I'm just like, you guys, please help, send me a message what the hell is wrong with this thing, because I'm about ready to, give it to a hobo. Just joking. Just send me a message back whenever you can. Thanks, guys. Bye.